What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, man. Secure your position now. I'm calling it. Shiba Inu is about to go crazy. This is your last chance. Again, I repeat, this is your last chance. This ain't financial advice, by the way. You got to do your own due diligence and never risk more than you're willing to lose. Be smart about this. But I'm telling y'all, this is your last chance to buckle up. Remember when I told y'all this last time we seen sheep? When I called it out, I said this is your last chance to get sheep under that 5-0 level. What happened? That was the last chance. Now, I'm telling you again, this is your last chance. Now, granted, we have to reanalyze what I'm saying. If we see Bitcoin do a quick flash crash, SHIB and the rest of the market could likely follow it. So keep that in mind. Our RSI levels are overbought on, let's take, look, I can show you better than I could tell you. I could show you better than I could tell you. Let's see. So our RSI levels are overbought. That's one thing I am worried about. So take a look at Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at the big bit. Let's pull up those indicators. Also, don't forget, right now, the first 50 people to email me at StockGoatClass will get my mastering chart patterns guide for free. Now, you want to be one of those first 50 people, because a lot of people are going to email as soon as they see this, and it's only going to be free for the first 50 people. StockGoatClass. This will teach you how to master the chart patterns, how to understand what this all means. It'll teach you what the chart patterns are, how to recognize them, what to do when you see them, you know, all these different things that you should be knowing when you see these different chart patterns, y'all. Right now, first 50 people, StockGoatClass at gmail.com. So let's take a look at this. We got the chart up. Let's get it where, you know what I'm saying, it's a little more visible, where we can pull our RSI up. Let's get that RSI up. We got our RSI up right now. It's really not called a RSI, y'all. It's called RSI. But so let's see. So take a look right now. We got the RSI at a 73. That RSI level is at a 73 right now. We know 70 and above is considered what? Overbought. What does that mean? It's expensive at that level, that, you know, people are likely buying into an expensive asset if you're purchasing at this price. It's overbought, meaning smart money, technical traders, they can likely take profit at these ranges. So if that does take place and we see Bitcoin pull back to one of our next key, you know, support areas, 65, 60, I call 58 being one of the lowest levels that I expected. You know, if we see a flash shakeout, if that does happen, it's going to get bought right back up. So do not panic. It's not financial advice. Something different can happen that, you know, we don't expect. Remember, when we dipped that last time, I did call a pullback, but I didn't think the pullback would be due to, you know, a few of these centralized exchanges cutting off the buy button on some of, on Shiba Inu. So now that is Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at SHIB RSI. We got Bitcoin at a 73 on a daily chart when it comes to the RSI. Now let's do the RSI on SHIB. Same thing, RSI on SHIB at a 71. So still considered technically overbought. You're buying at this price. Now, granted, the reason why we don't mind with SHIB right now, because it's on discount. We know that people just recently, the last week, were buying at the 4,500 level. So this is a chance to, you know, accumulate a little at this level. You know, not saying go crazy, but just have some at this level that you can scoop up in case it continues to go higher. But you want to save some ammunition just in case it drops lower to the next support level that you can grab more as well. But I think this is our last time touching this level, y'all. Take a look at what's going on right here. So we're developing a strong level of support in this range. You know, we want to pull back, but take a look. Every time we try to pull back beyond this level, buyers step in and say, we want it. We want it. So take a look. Even both of these candles find a support at that range, and even look at their wicks. Even their wicks are very, very similar. Both of the wicks don't even go past this point. So it's showing that right in this range right here, in this color, in this range, I'm going to color it green. Anytime you see the price, I put a rectangle here or a little squiggly. Anytime you see the price dropping in this range, snag, snag, snag. Buyers are buying it up. This is just dollars sitting here at this range right here. Money is sitting right here at this range, just waiting to be dumped into Shiba Inu every time it flips down into this level. Now, unless it breaks completely through this range, then it'll be, more money waiting at the next key support area. And I'm not saying this right here. I'm just, drawing this for visual representation so you can understand liquidity and where it's waiting. Those buy orders that people have set, that's money sitting there waiting to get picked up. And sometimes the price will go pick that money up, grab all those orders, and then start to make its way back up, hold this as support, and then take off again. That's what we can see. Now, this is not financial advice, but I'm just, getting y'all informed and aware that we do have our RSI levels at a 70, meaning it's overbought. But because the market is so bullish, I'm expecting to see something like this take place as we get closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving. So notice how we seen resistance on the RSI up here, like a 93, I think it was, 94. 98 on the or 90, about a 97.97. So we could just round it to 98 on the RSI level. So this is what, I'm expecting to play out right here, unless we get some type of negative catalyst. If we get some negative catalyst, that's different. Remember, we got to reanalyze things. But so you notice how our RSI, we got resistance right there. I'm expecting to find support on the RSI level. Even though it is overbought, it's crazy. We find the support at the overbought level, but I'm expecting the RSI to possibly find some support here in this range. We're using this as it's crazy. We're using the overbought level as our oversold level right now at this point. That's how bullish the market is right now. That's how we are in bull market. So now I'm expecting it to bounce off of there and possibly come back up and test this range right here at the 97 range when it comes to the RSI. Might not be a straight cut to the top like that, but I'm expecting it to work its way back up to that area. Now it could dip under a little bit, but we look at this. We haven't seen the RSI levels throughout this entire, since SHIB started to go crazy from the time it broke out, since February 25th, we haven't seen the RSI underneath February 26th was the last day we seen the RSI underneath that overbought level. And that's also the last day that we seen SHIB at a 0 or at 5 zeros. So keep that in mind. Now let's go back over to this article, man. We got some bullish information coming from one of the analysts. Take a look at this, y'all. He says Shiba Inu has potential to surge 822% and hit 3029. So we're gonna look at this article. I'm gonna give y'all my opinion if I think it's possible in the time limit that he says. Remember, all this is just speculation. None of us have the for sure answer. We're just trying to all learn and grow together and have a better understanding of the market. So Shiba Inu is among the top performing cryptocurrencies this month as it spiked more than 250% in just 14 days. Shiba is attracting heavy bullish sentiments and is bringing memories of the 2021 bull run. For the uninitiated, Shiba Inu has spiked 1,000% in just 1 month in October 2021 and reached its all-time high of 408616. If that wasn't enough, she had also spiked 85 million% between August 2020 to October 2021. So SHIB is not one to doubt. SHIB is not one to sleep on. Do you not see this? 85 million%. In 2021, Shiba Inu became the greatest investment in history had you been in from the beginning and rode it out. You would have made the greatest investment play in history. Nothing had grown 85 million% that has existed in the world within that short period of time. So SHIB made early holders turn to millionaires with a mean investment of $1,000 and more. So read here to note how investors made $1 million with an investment of $8,000 between 2020 and 2021. So this is the thing too, this is why you have to be prepared to hold. And this is why you want to make sure you have some good money in. So once it really does start to run, you can really have some real profits. I know a lot of people that done caught, 20X's, but had, 30 bucks in there. Which granted, that is a nice return, but still though, it's not gonna, get you too much life-changing money. You want to put something on the table where if it does really start to run, you can have some life-changing money. You have to calculate how much you're putting in, what your projection of market cap is that the project may reach from where you got in, and then do that multiplier to figure out how much could you turn that bag into. So also, y'all, I need y'all to tap into Vegas Inu Token's next video, y'all. We'll be talking about some exciting things going on with the project. You definitely do not want to miss it. Also, all the information and important links to Vegas Inu Token project are linked in the description section of this video, so you can do your due diligence before our exciting catalysts come up. Also, join our Telegram group. You know that's 100% free. We got one of the strongest crypto families inside of our Telegram right now, and it's giving me the vibes of early, I'm talking about 2020, early August Shiba Inu investors. That's how it's feeling in there, y'all. So come tap in. But Shiba Inu could repeat its 2021 price run, rally 822% to reach that 3029, predicts analysts. So leading crypto analyst Alan Santana, shout out to Alan, bullish on SHIB, has predicted that Shiba Inu could rally another 822% from its current price of 4031. The analyst shared a chart on TradingView indicating that SHIB might soon take off, leaving its current price much behind. Now that Shiba Inu remains in the green, the token could maintain its momentum and rally in the indices. According to his price prediction, SHIB could go 6x from here with a potential rise of 822%, he wrote. Therefore, SHIB's price could hit a new all-time high of 3029, he forecasted. On the downside, if the cryptocurrency market dipped, he urged investors to keep a stop loss at the 722 level. Now I don't know why he expects SHIB to go all the way down to that level, but if SHIB drops to stop loss, SHIB drops to a level of 5 zeros and 722. Do you know how hard myself and my community are going to be buying that dip? So y'all see where some people will have stop losses at, we will be buying more. So you got to understand what type of investor you are, how bullish you actually are on it as well. So I'm trying to see, why is he expecting SHIB to, go down to that level? So I can see this is from March 6th. It looks like he's looking at a chart from up to. So I'm just trying to understand what we're looking at right here, y'all. So we got a SHIB chart. We can see this is the 1-day chart. We can see this says updated March 5th from TradingView. But why do the candlesticks go out to November? So this is 2023, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. I don't know where they got this chart from right here, but come on, Watcher Guru. Watcher Guru, y'all gotta do y'all due diligence better than this. I don't know what's going on with this, but we are beyond these price levels that we're seeing right here. I don't know if he made a mistake and just added in another zero, but then again, I'm confused on why does the chart show. Look at this, y'all. Look at the chart. It goes to November. So it looks like he's, doing TA from November 2023, but I'm confused on why they're using this in here. So let's just keep reading on to see what we see. So, however, he explained that the forecast is for long-term holders only, and investors who aim to make quick money must not pay heed. He also stressed that this could be the final call before takeoff. See, look, y'all, I told y'all this in the earlier in the video that this was it, y'all. Y'all got your own financial analyst, not financial advice though. You know what I'm saying? Just for entertainment purposes, educational purposes here on YouTube, on the DecemberDeMarco YouTube channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the family, become a part of the DD Nation. Don't forget, I got my Mastering Chart Patterns guide dropping for sale very, very soon, but I'm giving it to the first 50 people that email me at StockGoatClass@gmail.com. Now, that's all we got for this one, y'all. I think we're going to see Shiba Inu absolutely skyrocket soon. Not sure if it's, honestly, I think we're going past these levels, I think we're going to go and delete a zero. And once we delete a zero, that hype and the excitement is going to cause a level of FOMO that I believe we've never seen before. So buckle up right now, y'all. I got 3 courses available: my stock options day trading course, I got my technical analysis course, and my crypto one-on-one course. The crypto one-on-one course gives you a well-rounded understanding of cryptocurrency investing, and it also brings you on the DeFi side. It teaches you how to operate outside of the centralized exchanges. For y'all that don't know, if you're hearing this for the first time, if you are on a centralized exchange, Coinbase, Webull, Robinhood, Binance, anything that you have to sign up for and put in your information like that, you do not own your crypto. You might think you own your crypto, but you don't own it. So tap into my email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, to get my crypto one-on-one course. The technical analysis course will teach you what the chart is saying, the data on the chart, how to interpret it, how to predict what's going to happen next, how to protect yourself, how to know when to buy, how to know when to sell. All that information is a part of that course. Now, also don't forget, the courses, you email me at DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. But if you want the guide that is about to drop, you got to email me at StockGoatClass@gmail.com. So again, day trading option course that will teach you how to make money in the stock markets Monday through Friday, betting whether prices will go up or down on any stock that has options trading available for it. That's all we got for this video. Follow me on all platforms at DecemberDeMarco. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are